Hi guys, this is just a quick video. So in here I'm soaking some seeds, and you can soak any seeds, it doesn't have to be cannabis, but this time it just so happens to be cannabis seeds. So what I pull in there is some seaweed. It's in fact a spirulina, is the exact seaweed it is, and I put some coral in there. So the spirulina has lots of different minerals and vitamins in it, and the coral is high in calcium. So when a seed's germinating, they need a lot of calcium, because calcium makes them strong. So just having that in the water, it's neutralizing the water and giving it all the calcium that it will need in the water while they're soaking, because for the first 2 days when you're soaking the seeds, they'll be, because I just put them in there, they're still floating, so within 24 hours they will sink, and then within the next day the seed will crack and the tap of the root will show. So I'm welcoming the seed into the world with all the best minerals and all the best vitamins just sitting there waiting for it. So it helps promote a healthy start, big yields, if they have the best start from the beginning. So you don't want your seed to be cracking into water that's got a lot of starch in it, or it's not pH right or anything like that. You want it to come out into a pH neutral water full of minerals that are natural and that won't shock it. So there's no chemicals here, this is all natural. So the seed won't complain, because everything that's there is things that are from the earth, so it won't shock it like chemicals can. So this is a natural way how to crack seeds very, very easily. Within a week you'll have yourself a rooting seed that you can put on your window ledge to start its first days. I just thought I'd do this post because a lot of people think that they need to buy like baby nutrients or give it quarter strength for when it first comes out, because these were some of the things that I was told when I first started growing as well. And I'm not saying it doesn't work, but it's not needed, and some seeds don't accept chemicals straight away. So this is the natural way to do it. If you can get yourself a little piece of coral and a tiny bit of seaweed, you can always use it. It's reusable because they live in water, so they're not degrading their strength. They're going to stay the same. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, like, share, because I'm going to do more posts and show different ways how to do things naturally without any chemicals. I'll speak to you later.